Here's a quick tip for today. Hopefully it'll help somebody. I'm working on this 2000 Polaris Sportsman 6x6. The owner of it said the battery was going dead, the starter wouldn't engage, his fan wouldn't kick on. As a result, it would overheat. Kind of a bunch of electrical gremlins all at once. First thing I did, I tested the voltage on the battery. It came out to 11.5 volts. So I put it on my charger. My charger would only charge it for about a minute, and then it said it was full. It still was under 12 volts. But anyway, I decided to proceed with a little bit of troubleshooting. First thing I thought, it was the voltage regulator. It's quite common on these things for the voltage regulators to go bad. As soon as I got down here, that red wire was corroded off. The connection was complete junk. So I made a new connection, started it up, and sure enough, I had the charging system working. The only problem was it was 18 volts now, which is overcharging. So I ended up putting in a different battery, which I knew was good. And then all of a sudden, I start the machine up with the starter. It worked just fine. And the voltage was 14.5 across the battery posts. So it seemed to fix the problem. It also fixed the fan not working. The voltage was too low on the battery for the fan to kick on. So if you're having a problem with all these things, your fan not working, you're having overheating problems because the fan's not working, and you're having your starter just click, always check for voltage at your battery. Try to charge it, try all these steps again. If you're still running into it, check that voltage regulator. A lot of times they fail and you can't tell. There's not always a smoking gun like I had in this case. But if you're running into a bunch of weird problems, sometimes you'll get lucky and it'll just be a battery, and in some cases just a broken wire. Hope this helps somebody out.